exclusive, changing the world.
My country people, Nalimbe we would they so my country people, we rainway fall for the whole southwest, for side like Limbe, Tiko, Kumba, Boya and other parts for southwest my country people. Una the see people they struggle for cross my country people, water it enter house for all side my country people, the destruction as even chop on top. When I flash that way stand so my country people. Say na rain way all money they stand, the check his sense will see place where if he cross all house they inside water my country people. It not be easy for inside southwest. As people they struggle, my country people, even plenty all thing. They inside water motor, then they inside water my country people, even mobile kiosks, my country people. This water don't touch, it don't touch plenty people, them my country people, even motor no say na motor will be strong with that kind motor them. My country people way it not easy, plenty them all things so and them for down my country people. This thing it happen for the whole of southwest where that people the way they learn people book my country people they belong to come. You see, as motor it is struggle, it be no say get for pass, but water it tell you say it get power pass all in my country people. You see the motor long come back so my country people. No say thing they strong, no say yes, the water no be small water my country people. Where that one so now so it happen so and they fall inside water my country people only for same they struggle for cross all money thing they inside water all houses them all inside water my country people for this area as you see and so my country people all the quarter them for inside live.
Yes, with the mayor of Tico Council Community Radio where they live. I received the worker. It is live now for check on what happened as you see all around here today. Now for Miselele we just so water from Komosute. Right now you see water there for knee level for every person way tall. See how we now boys at the hell for push motor for cross. For my front there na mayor that the push motor now Miselele market is for this so.
So as I be try for talk, so and they talk even for their country talk. You know say it on bat.
Kumbaraka o mutingene. O njia metu ngoi eforoi. Ya wure ke onjia ko. Mungwa. Isa romano kongo muka
country people this one na mutengene hiso. It shows say all the gutter them be blocked. Watana ilon chane itself on top the gunta my country people. So we need a proper measure for take and for see all things for stand find my country people.
Olimbe, goi, ever country ako. Goi metuko, oinjia.
Now it is so my country people as you see what that it get power country people it not easy. You see taxi the struggle. This one na Tiko Douala Road as the mayor for Tiko himself. He goes to Megosian. He enter inside water.
Down there, there used to be a bar here called Riverside. A bar, very big building. People used to sit there and watch, drink beer, and cars used to also park around there. People. Yeah, this is the building behind the. This is the building around about.
My country people, this place now a giant building. When you na see water, it is sensing now for the owner say he get for take measure. So my country people, as Limbe, it shows something so all houses them as soon as they see them, they inside water. All man they always struggle how if he move water inside house. Now so all bet they hang now for air my country people. As soon as the see so all business where they do for corner road na inside water motor they try for go cross where no the be it the only gonna back my country people. So now so it happen for inside southwest for some of the city them I kumba tiko limbe. Na no limbe na the seaside. These floods, the ever happens. Like with the talk for Queen Elisa country talk, there is a lot of damage, my country people. Now see Elon bad all money movie close. Now not time for action, my country people. The water alone reach for some way we any man he get for put energy for make sure say he clean up. Oh, he hang it in them for all my country people. The BB authority then too they try their best. They don't talk say any man way he don't bill for water he wrote for make sure say water vex it take na different directions. They go make sure say they arrange all things for say me country people they enjoy their house with freedom.
Yes. People they still go out of their houses. Also people they do stock for inside houses.
No, but they enter all houses.
They don't enter all houses.
Yes.
It's bad.
Bad for all houses. All houses don't enter it.
Sure.
Don't put that fence on it.
So as I be the try for tell now my country people, so and they stand for front their store. So and they long bat, they just stand inside the water. Moto them two all inside water, my country people. So it better for you for stand for outside than say me you stand inside because you don't know how if he heavy reach some level. If not some way you feel find your way for go. My country people, as you see any man the struggle for cross. It's not easy, my country people.
Around 1:30 on night where the rain start fall serious heavy. Around around 6 o'clock for morning time, we put the pass to go. The man where he get the place, he get my 14. He call, say there's a rain. Wait, what I want carry for that police college place. We not ready for. And the call never enough for back for part of the camp. They come carry the thing there. They move table, they move fridge, and that small chair there. Then the long table and the long freezer away there. They want try to move water carry. So they try to move some of the small things there. And then they move small window. Then the rest water carry. You see how this? Water carry the house. As they talk to move small things, the water carry the house.
And of course, we will have to deluge people. Houses would have to be broken down so that we create the channel for the water to freely flow. If not, we will constantly have situations of flood.
RBT, changing the world.